Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, little word explorers. Today, we are going to learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are special words that connect words, phrases, or sentences. They are like bridges that join ideas together. Let's discover them together. A conjunction is a word that joins two things. For example, I like apples and oranges. The word "and" connects apples and oranges. Easy, right? Here's another one. I have a cat and a dog. And joins the two pets. That's a conjunction. Look at this. I like ice cream, but I don't like cake. The word "but" shows a difference or opposite idea. That's a conjunction too. One more. Do you want juice or water? Or gives us a choice, another conjunction in action. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the right conjunction. 1. I like pizza, burgers, and but. 2. I want tea, coffee, or but. 3. I am tired, happy, but, or. Let's check. I like pizza and burgers. I want tea or coffee. I am tired but happy. Yay, you did it! Let's remember, conjunctions connect words, phrases, or sentences. And adds ideas, but shows difference, or shows a choice. Conjunctions make our sentences smooth and fun. Fantastic job, word explorers! Now you can find conjunctions everywhere. Keep practicing and your sentences will flow like a river. Bye-bye!
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.